Alright, so now we are actually going to be able to do some flight footage with the P60 and the F7 V2 Pro flight controller, both by T-Motor. And we're at the last spot that I flew at where I blew up my last ESC. It's a cool spot. I had some great footage, but the GoPro went kaput. I'm actually using a GoPro Hero 8 at the moment, not the 10 like I usually do. Still waiting on that damn GoPro to come back from Best Buy, so another few days and then I'll be back up to the 5.3K resolution y'all are used to by watching my videos. So let's throw y'all in there. I'm gonna wipe the screen off real quick. Boom, there we go. Slide y'all in the mount. Now this is gonna be the first pack of the day.
Welcome to Tango 2. Throttle warning.
Alright. Here we go. Not bad for one pack, but I definitely need to make some adjustments. Did y'all see that fucking...
Telemetry lost.
I gotta figure out what that was. Okay, so after I got home, I adjusted two things. I went on dynamic dampening, changed that from 0 to 40, and then it felt a little bit better. And then I also just went ahead and tested putting Gyro 1 back on. And the last flight I did, it felt even better. So I'm going to do this pack with Gyro 1 on and dynamic dampening on 40. Everything else is the same that was in the last video. And we're going to see how it does. Here we go.
These niggas dismissing the hard work, they calling it talent. And I find that disrespectful, cause I put on the mileage. Up for the shit, but I'm down for the challenge. Step off the scene just to find me a balance. These niggas don't want it to get it, cause when it got hard, them niggas will quit it. So much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Trying to make it out the struggle, dog, yeah. Hey, watch out, this shit bubble, dog, yeah. Look, shit, I chase hit to make some real shit. Something that they feel shit. Cause all I know is speaking on some shit I really deal with. Like how I fucked some hoes and in the morning didn't feel shit. Was tired of being single, so I went and got a real bitch. Like how my homies quit and left this rap shit, nigga. So now I'm grinding dolo in they absence, nigga. But I'm still sticking to the plan, cause I mapped it, nigga. And I don't care about going slow, just not backwards, nigga. I put in so much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Tryna make it out the struggle, dog, yeah. Hey, watch out, this shit bubble, dog, yeah. Look, niggas don't really want it that bad. I see it clearly now, but me, I really want it that bad. My grind is eerie now. First I write the songs, mix the songs and shoot the videos on my iPhone. Shit is serious, you hear me though? I ain't got no label backing me, it's just me and my girl. So when I blow up, I'ma give it a whirl. Cause I'm overly focused and overly thorough. When it's all said and done, they're gon' build me a moral. I put in so much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Tryna make it out the struggle, dog, yeah. Hey, watch out, this shit bubble, dog, yeah. I put in so much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Tryna make it out the struggle, dog, yeah. Hey, watch out, this shit bubble, dog, yeah.
Didn't see any prop wash, didn't see any isolations or any bounce back or anything for that matter. So I'm pretty sure that's where I'm going to keep it. The motors are just barely warm, so that's a good thing. That's where I'm keeping it. That's that sweet spot. Hell yeah.